The Federal House of Representatives was the scene of the next important royal engagement, the presentation of a loyal address to Her Majesty. The Queen was wearing an ivory satin dress decorated with pearls and gold, the sash of the Order of the Garter, and a beautiful diamond tiara. Her regal magnificence was clearly the object of sincere admiration from ministers and members. All wore their traditional robes and headdresses, all except the Minister of Labour, who adapted a straw hat with ostrich feathers. The occasion, at any rate, was historic and will long be remembered in Nigeria. A procession of law officers, magistrates, members of the bar and judges marked the last engagement of the royal stay in Lagos, the inauguration of the federal courts by the Queen. She was escorted by the Governor-General, and first the Chief Justice of the Federation and the High Court Chief Justices were presented. Next, the Inspector General of Police received the same honour. And then the Queen and the Duke entered the law courts. Here, a figure of justice, a replica of the one on London Central Criminal Court, was presented. But perhaps the most appealing picture of the day was the offering of a bouquet by the small son of Mr. Justice Jibole. He was evidently intent on stealing the picture if possible.